Of polystyrene make it simple to consider fundamental principles in design and construction, which are hierarchy, contrast, visual reading, symmetry, and negative space. A lot of architects and builders at the construction stage miss essential elements in the facade captured in the design and end up with an output that looks like afterthoughts. But with polystyrene, we can integrate the design into the structure without overloading the building. I want to share a real-life example of how we took this to this and share with you the thought process. If you are interested, then keep on watching. Hi everyone,